Hi, good morning, everyone. This water I'm taking is just hot water and salt. Okay, if you have catarrh and cough, just go warm your water, put salt, and you drink some. And then also put some inside a bowl, put salt inside, the same thing that I'm doing. And then you put your face inside the bowl. Okay, inhale them. Okay, open your mouth, leave your mouth open, and also inhale through your nose and through your mouth. Okay, your catarrh higher should be 1 to 2 days. Your catarrh is going to clear. Okay, if you find this video interesting, please drop on the comment section that interesting, and then share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.